Welcome to our first ever video launch for Haze, and we're very grateful that you can share, and we can share also this afternoon. So I hope you enjoy the journey in every country that you've been here in the room. So, and also we have free items for everyone. Ipapansin nyo, wala tayong try again dyan, ha? So we wanted also for you all.
Na kayo mag-vlog? Kasi lahat sila naka-vlog. Ito first-hand experience, ha? When I traveled long month, 5 years ago, naka-vlog ako. Alam mo ba, nawala yung luggage ko. Pinarga ng isa aming naka-vlog. So hindi ko siya try to claim and all the hassle. So never na ako nag-vlog ng luggage. Para safe security also. Kasi yeah. And also ang case kasi, if you'll notice, they do not follow the usual color of red, blue, green. They have their own colors. Ito mga highlight namin, they have their own names. This is Blue Ocean. The pink is Flamingo Pink. The yellow is Sunburst Yellow, Coral Reef. So they have their own names, and it is very unique. Our Haze green is not green. You'll see, our blue is not blue, our red is not red. Talagang they formulate the colors that only Haze can carry them. Parang very na-identify siya na Haze luggage. You may not be familiar with our plan. Kasi we started with a social media billboard. I was telling everyone, or most of you, parang feel ko, parang kulang pa yung aming exposure. So tinawag mo si Ian. Ian, help us. And then here you are right now. Help naman the brand. Make us known. Kasi we deserve it. Diba? Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright. Yan. Even loob. So when you open it, parang matutuwa kayo sa colors. Nakaka-happy siya, di ba? Ayan. So it's fully lined interior. Other luggage kasi wala na siyang cover. So we have that. And it's a mesh. So several pockets. Ayan. Maganda talaga siya. Yes, to answer you, is should be durable, it should be light, and it should be stylish.
10,000. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, no, ito yung pinakamatibay and bestseller namin na luggage, which is the model is called Zenith. So it comes in 3 colors, atmosphere, gray, and black. So, ayan, nabibend siya. Pwede siyang tayuan actually, and then it will go back to its original shape. So, ito yung type ng polypropylene, or to Haze, it's a Duraflex material. So, ganun siya ka-durable. I have a luggage na made of Duraflex din since 2018. Ang pinalitan ko ng gulong. So, talagang ayaw mo na ng luggage mo pero hindi pa niya ayaw sa'yo. Gusto ka pa rin niya.
Yes.
So, matibay siya talaga. Scratch-proof din. What else? 360 degrees wheels din. Ayan. So, it's very durable.
May another question.
Haze International. So, parang they were approved by different airlines. So, it's an airline-approved pet carrier. And we were also have partnership with Philippine Airlines for their FERPAL program. So yeah, we are proud to say that we are airline approved. So because it was tested in different kinds of fleets. So malaki man yan, propeller type man yan na type of plane, kasya siya sa undersea. So,
And talagang chosen by Philippine Airlines. Kaya siya naglabas. So you'll see if you buy tickets, ayoko na yung sabi, yung promo nila. Parang you'll see our pet carrier sa Philippine Airlines counter. Or hopefully sa mga advertisements nila. But yes, they got some pet carriers from us.
Alright, there we go. Okay. Meron na po tayong additional question from the crowd.
Wala lang, sige. Congratulations again, Ms. Lot. I just want to ask,
Hayes has been producing eco-friendly luggage since Hayes arrived here in the Philippines. Actually, when we started with Hayes, we already had some few items na made of recycled PET bottles. So they're not just stylish, they're also eco-friendly luggage. So the packing tubes is made up of recycled nylon, made of the fisherman's fish net. So kung mga graders na, so ito yung fit para doon sa size. And then kung mga preschool, pwede naman po siya. Actually, Hayes has all the licensed backpacks and suitcases per kid. So hindi pa namin siya nakikerry lahat. But we're looking into getting those signature like they have. This is a limited and available. But it comes in 5 colors. So it has it's available in blue, pink, purple, red, and this is the champagne color.